What makes Maui fundamentally different from the other characters I played in the past who have heroic tendencies? Well, number one, he was inspired by my grandfather, Haichi Peter Maivia, who's no longer with us. He's walking in the clouds, but his tattoos, his body, his way, his mana, his hair. He had beautiful hair, unlike me. So I would say that, but also I think I've always said that Maui it's such a special character that I've been able to play over the course of 10 years, and also rare, like in our world of storytelling. It's my grandfather, and it's our culture, and that's really cool.
Grateful that I am an EP on this project. I love putting on new hats. I love learning what it takes to make a great film, and I truly believe that our film is great. Getting in touch with our cultural trust, which is built up of fishermen and linguists and storytellers and tatau or tattoo artists. Like truly, there's so much intricacy for those that are willing to look for it and see it. So I'm very grateful. I've had a wonderful time.
Thrilling that people love this score so much, people love this movie so much. I do think it's always a great chance to approach material. You know, Tommy and I come from the theater, so this just felt like a revival to us. And I was like, there's a few things I'm better at than I was before. I've made a few of the rhymes in Shiny better than they were in 2016. I extended Dwayne's rap because everyone loves that rap, and I gave him a few more bars. But for the most part, we really left the songs alone. And then we reserved the right for an opportunity to write a new song. And I'm really proud of the musical conversation between Auliʻi and Katie in that finale. Well, come to think of it, kid, honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The sky, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was me, I was messing around. I killed an eel, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. See here in my skin, it's the look in the victories I win. Look what I do, I make everything happen. Look at the thing in the Maui, hey! Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome from the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay to say you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, I gotta go.